Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this Python project, we can track phone number and find the location in Google Maps using Python. I will be explaining step by step on what needs to be done, and by the end of this video you will be capable of building your own Python project. For this Python project, we will be installing some Python packages, and then we will need a phone number which one we want to track. Now in a few moments I will show you how to do that, but before we get started, if you guys are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like this video and press the bell icon for the future videos. That's it guys, let's get started. First open your code editor and then you have to create a new project file. Here you can see that I have created one Python project, and inside this project folder you have to create two separate Python files. So let's create our first one. So click right and from new we have to select Python file and it will be main.py. That's it. So after this one, now we have to create another file. So I can go to our project file, click right, you have to create another Python file and then give a name. Here inside this file I will put a phone number which we are going to track. So that's why the Python file name will be myphone.py. That's it. So guys, here you can see that we have created two different files. One is main.py and the other one is myphone.py. And here inside this myphone.py, first I'm going to create a variable and it will be number, and here I'm going to insert my phone number, which one I'm going to locate. And guys, please pay attention, the phone number I am using for this project is my personal phone number, so for some secret reason I'm going to hide the phone number. And don't forget to add your country code first. After this phone number, now we have to go to our main.py, and here first we have to import a Python package which is phone number. So now we have to install it. For installing, let's go to our terminal, and here we have to write pip install phone numbers and press enter. In a few moments the package will be installed in your computer. As you can see, I have already installed phone numbers. Now, after installing the phone numbers, we have to import the phone numbers in our project file. That's why we have to write import phone numbers. Now, after importing phone numbers, we have to import the number variable, which we have created in myphone.py. So that's why we have to write from my phone import number variables. That's it. First, from our this phone number I'm going to extract the country name, and for extracting the country name we have to import another module from phone numbers, and this one will be import gcoder. That's it. After that we have to divide this phone number into some separate parts. For doing this, here we have to create a variable, and the variable will be pip number, and we have to call phone numbers dot parse and give the name of the variable, which variable is containing our number. So that's why we have to write here number. That's it. Then we have to extract the country location. So that's why we have to create another variable, and it will be location. And here we have to call our geocoder dot description underline for underline number. We have to give two parameters. One of them will take our this divided variable, and the another one will take a value for our language, and it will be English. That's it. Now here first I want to see the country location, so print location. If I run the program, here you can see that showing my country name. After our country name, I want to see the service provider name. For seeing this one, first from phone numbers, import carrier. Now I want to extract the service provider name. So we have to create a variable, and it will be service pro. Then we have to call phone numbers dot parse. Here we have to pass our number. Now we have to print the service provider name. For doing this, first we call carrier name for number, and here we have to give the variable name which we have created here. Then give language name. If I run the program, here you can see the service provider name and also the country name. After the country name and service provider, I want to see the location of this phone number in Google Maps. For doing this, first we have to install a package from Python. So let's go to our terminal and write pip install OpenCage and press enter. In a few moments, OpenCage will be installed in your computer. After installing the OpenCage, we have to import that in our project file. So let's go to the top and write import OpenCage. And from OpenCage.geocoder import OpenCage geocode. After doing this, we have to open your browser and visit opencagedata.com. From this website, you have to create a free account. Inside your dashboard, you will find your API keys. Here you can see that I have my API keys. So copy this. Now we have to create key variable, and then we have to paste the API key. Okay, let's create a geocoder variable, and then let's call OpenCageGeocode, and here we have to pass our key. And then let's take query variable. It will be a string, and inside our string we have to pass our location. Then we have to take another variable. It will be result. Again call our geocoder.geocode, and we have to pass our string formatted query. Okay, let's print this and see what we are going to find. Now if I run the program, and here you can see that we have a latitude and longitude. Now using these two values, and we are going to find the location from Google Maps. Comment this line. Now let's take our latitude, and here it will be results. And I'm going to take our first value, so that's why it will be 0. Here we are taking a geometry, and the value we are taking is the latitude. We are taking the longitude also like this one. Now let's print latitude and longitude. So let's run the program, and here you can see that we have our latitude and longitude. Now we have to install another package. Let's go to the terminal and write pip install volume and press enter. After installing, we have to import the package. So we have to write import volume. Now we create my map variable, and here we call volume.map. And here we have to give our location, and the location equal to will be our latitude and longitude. And at zoom start, and it will be 9. That's it. Now let's arrange the map. So for doing this, we call volume.marker, and we give latitude and longitude. Then I will call pop-up, and this pop-up will indicate our location, and write dot add to our map, which is my map. Now I have to save the map like any other files. So for doing this, we call my map.save, and here we give a name for this file. After that, write .html. So if I run this program, yes, we will have a file which is my location in our project folder. Let's run the program with Chrome. And guys, here you can see that we have a map, and you can see that this is the location. So this is the location of that phone number, and here you can see that we have successfully tracked that phone number using a map. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments, and make sure to follow me. I will be back again with more videos. So see you soon, and thanks for watching.